Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Whenever we think of Chinese food or Indo-Chinese food, the two main courses that we normally enjoy is fried rice or noodles. So today I'm going to share this delicious and spicy Schezwan noodles, and we're going to make it with a lot of vegetables, and also I'm going to use my special homemade Schezwan sauce to make this particular dish. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. First we're going to cook the noodles. To the pot of boiling water, I'm just adding a little bit of salt. Now add the noodles. Cook the noodles till it's completely done. After 5 minutes, you can check on the noodles. The noodles have to be firm yet cooked. Make sure you don't overcook it and make it very soggy. Strain the noodles and just gently separate them like that. I'm just pouring a little bit of water at room temperature so that the noodles don't stick to each other. Now that the noodles are done, keep this aside. Take a nice wide kadai or a nice wide wok which is comfortable to mix. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Next, add 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced. Saute the onions along with the ginger and garlic for just about 30 seconds. Maintain the flame on a medium-high. Now, I'm going to start adding all the vegetables that I've taken for the noodles. Starting with 1 cup of carrot juliennes, 1 cup of thinly sliced green capsicum, 1 cup of thinly sliced red capsicum, 1 cup of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Now I have used all these vegetables for the noodles. You can use any vegetable of your choice. If you don't have a certain vegetable, you can also make it without that. So now I'm going to season the vegetables with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Just give that a quick mix. If you like to add a little bit of protein to it, you can just add a couple of eggs. That's entirely up to you. For the Schezwan noodles, I'm using this homemade Schezwan sauce. So in case you guys want to know how to make this sauce, please let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make it for you next time. Now this is a really spicy Schezwan sauce. So I'm just adding about 3 teaspoons. You can adjust the spiciness according to your taste. Just mix it all nicely with the vegetables. So reduce the flame to a medium low. Wow, just look at the color after adding the Schezwan sauce. Now gently drop in the cooked noodles. Start mixing the vegetables along with the noodles. Wow, just look at that. Make sure the noodles are nicely coated. So I'm just going to use 2 ladles to mix the noodles. This is a lot more easier doing it this way. So finally, I'm finishing off by adding a few finely chopped spring onions. So this will give you a nice pleasant crunch. Now if you don't have spring onions, you can also use coriander leaves. Wow, that looks absolutely fantastic. Our Schezwan vegetable noodles are ready. You can just enjoy it nice and hot. You can enjoy it as is, or you can serve it with some nice Manchurian by the side. I'll give you a couple of links to the other Schezwan recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. It's time to taste these delicious Schezwan vegetable noodles. Now I can't wait to try them. Wow. It's just perfect. It's got a nice spice to it and the flavors of all those vegetables. It's really nice. A nice wholesome dish. You know, you can enjoy it as is, or you can have it with some nice Manchurian by the side. And you can add any vegetables of your choice. You can add eggs if you like also, and enjoy these noodles. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys, and I will catch you guys in another recipe. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.